Welcome to World Coins Explorer, the ultimate destination for coin lovers and collectors from around the globe. In today's video, we are diving deep into the history, design, and value of a fascinating coin, the 501 coin from South Korea, minted in 2001. Whether you are a seasoned numismatist or just getting into world coins, this episode will give you all the details you need to know. And don't forget, some coins like this may be worth much more than their face value today. The 501 coin comes from South Korea, officially known as the Republic of Korea. South Korea has a rich and evolving coinage history, reflecting its growth into a major global economy. The won is the official currency, and the 501 denomination is among the highest in coin form. Introduced in 1982, the 501 coin plays a crucial role in daily transactions. This specific coin was minted in the year 2001, a time when South Korea was recovering from the 1997 Asian financial crisis and strengthening its economic position. Coins from this era are often sought by collectors due to their relatively limited mintage and clean modern design. While millions were minted, not all survived in collectible condition, making well-preserved examples more valuable. The front side, or obverse, of the coin prominently features the number 500, representing its denomination. Above the number is the minting year 2001, and below you can see Hangul text that reads Obegwon, Obek1, which translates to 501. The clean and bold design makes this coin easily recognizable in circulation. The reverse side of the 501 coin typically displays an image of the red-crowned crane, a national bird of South Korea, and a symbol of longevity, peace, and grace. This elegant bird in flight signifies both freedom and national pride. The detail in the feathers and wing spread is a testament to South Korea's quality minting standards. The 2001 501 coin is made of a copper-nickel alloy, giving it a silvery appearance with durability for circulation. Specifically, the coin consists of 75% copper and 25% nickel, which helps prevent corrosion and wear over time. The metallic content also contributes to its collectible value, especially for coins in uncirculated condition. This coin has a diameter of 26.5 millimeters and a weight of 7.7 grams, making it one of the heavier coins in South Korean circulation. The reeded edge helps in distinguishing it by touch, especially for the visually impaired. Its size and weight give it a substantial feel, setting it apart from smaller denominations. Although the 2001 version of the 501 coin isn't classified as extremely rare, finding one in mint or uncirculated condition is becoming more difficult. Serious collectors look for coins with minimal scratches, a strong strike, and original luster. A high-grade example can sell for 2 to 5 times its face value, or even more in certain markets. Interestingly, in the early 2000s, South Korea faced a counterfeiting issue, particularly with the 501 coin. Criminals were shaving the edges and using them in vending machines in Japan due to similar dimensions with Japanese yen. This led to advanced security features being developed in later years, adding historical importance to earlier issues like the 2001 version. On platforms like eBay or numismatic websites, the 2001 501 coin in circulated condition sells for around $1 to $2, while uncirculated examples can fetch $5 to $15, depending on quality. If the coin is part of a proof set or comes in brilliant uncirculated BU condition, the price can go even higher, especially with demand from international collectors. So there you have it, a detailed look at the 2001 South Korean 501 coin. From its historical roots and design beauty to its collector value, this coin is a small but important piece of numismatic history. If you have one in your collection, it might be worth more than you think. Subscribe to World Coins Explorer for more deep dives into rare and valuable coins from every corner of the world. Until next time, happy collecting.